Hey guys, what's up? I'm Amazing J99. I got a little bit of a different video for you here today. You see my channel's up there. It's the Optiplex. There's my laptop, and I got another toy here. Finally started building a game computer. There's nothing in here besides a motherboard right now, so I'm just gonna give you a little bit of an overview of the case. For the most part, there's a side of it. In the back of it, nice shininess. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down so I can open this thing up. I'm gonna make sure I'm opening it up on the right side. Alright, here's the inside of it. I got a gigabyte motherboard here. It is a AMD based, if you can tell, because it's got all the pins. I'm assuming I plugged everything in the right places. It's got a good amount of drive bays, two graphic expansion slots, nice fan here. But yeah, it'll take me a while to get this thing fully completed to where I can use it. But anyways, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see the progress of this computer as it goes along. Don't forget to like the video, dislike the video. I really don't know why you dislike it. What, because the computer's not finished yet? But anyway, guys, I'm Amazing J99. See you guys later.